An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an external force. Without external influence, an object will not spontaneously start moving. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. External forces are required to overcome inertia and initiate movement. The greater an object's mass, the greater its inertia. Objects maintain their state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change by forces. An object at rest remains at rest unless an external force is applied. Applying an external force overcomes an object's inertia, causing it to accelerate. The magnitude of the force directly influences the object's acceleration. The object's mass inversely affects the resulting acceleration when subjected to the same force. Greater force results in greater acceleration, assuming mass remains constant. Greater mass results in smaller acceleration, assuming force remains constant. An object in motion continues to move at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. Constant velocity implies both constant speed and direction. If an object is moving, it will maintain its motion until a force causes it to slow down. External forces, such as friction, can cause an object to change direction. External forces, such as an impact, can cause an object to stop moving. Without external forces, an object in motion would continue indefinitely at a constant velocity.